Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video, as promised, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your washing machine from the inside out. Ideally, you should aim to clean your washing machine at least once a year or every 6 months if you use your washing machine more regularly. So what will happen to your washing machine if you don't clean it? Well, if left untreated, your washing machine will start to give off an odour due to the soap buildup. There are simple ways to maintain the freshness of your washing machine by using simple and effective cleaning products. And the cleaning products I'm talking about are baking soda and white vinegar. So to clean your washing machine, just follow these simple steps. So step 1, add 1 cup of baking soda directly to the drum. Then add 2 cups of white vinegar to the drum as well. The baking soda and vinegar combined together should break up any residue stuck to your drum and kill any mould and help remove any odours, leaving your clothes smelling fresh. So just run the cycle to the highest temperature without any clothes obviously in the drum, and just let it run. Adding just 1 or half a cup of vinegar to the final rinse will result in brighter, clearer colours. Odours can be caused by build-up of bacteria or soap scum accumulating in the wash machine. Odour can also be due to poor drainage from the washer, which will cause the dirty water to become stagnant in the washing machine, allowing bacteria in the water to grow. So next I'm going to clean this rubber bit around the door frame, and as you can see it's clogged up with what looks like tissue that's been left in pockets. So taking a towel, I'm going to clean inside there by using this solution called Service It, which is a washing machine cleaner by Dr. Beckman with activated carbon. It states it will remove dirt and limescale and maintain the rubber and metal parts. I've never used this product before, so I'm not 100% sure on this one. I personally think that the baking soda and white vinegar is all you really need to do the job. A toothbrush is always handy to get into the awkward places. I'm going to dip the solution onto the brush and work it inside and around the rubber seal. I'm just cleaning around the outside of the washing machine with a damp cloth. Okay, I'm now going to clean the dispenser, which I must warn you isn't a pleasant sight, so please look away now if you don't like the build-up of dirt and grime, as this is bad. The cause of this is due to calcium buildup. After a while, liquid soap builds up in the wash machine and turns into this thick, black, greasy substance. To tackle this, I'm going to use white vinegar, as this will get rid of the liquid soap and odour. So I'm just going to spray the white vinegar inside the dispenser, and taking this old brush, I'm going to scrub it off. Good old tough brush comes in handy for those tighter corners. Not sure the last time I cleaned the dispenser. Looks like I never did. I mean, this washing machine is quite old. We're talking about 7 years or more. So I do recommend cleaning your dispenser more regularly, say every 3 months, to prevent it getting to this state. What the... I don't know. I don't know what to say really, other than don't use liquid soap. That's the cause of that. What I have in my hand is hard soap that's built up in there over the years. But having said that, I deliberately didn't clean the dispenser all that time because I knew in the future I will be doing this video on how to clean your washing machine. And needed it to look this bad to properly demonstrate the cleaning products, honestly. Okay, this is tougher than I realised, so I'm going to also add baking soda with the white vinegar and using the toothbrush to scrub all the dirt out. Gosh, this is just too much. I don't think I can carry on. I mean, I am thinking of getting a new washing machine, probably the Samsung Add Wash model, which has an opening at the front of the washing machine to add more detergent during the wash, which I thought was great. And it has a larger drum as well. It's got a 9 kilo drum capacity, which is a lot bigger than the one I've got here, which is just 6 kilos. So as you can see, the hard soap is starting to break down and come away from the inside of the dispenser. I'm just going to keep going. Hopefully there is some light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, I'm now going to wash the dispenser using white vinegar. This has also built up with soap, not as bad as the inside. I am also going to use baking soda as well to get this nice and clean. Okay, just the final touches to the washing machine left to do. I can't get rid of this stain, as you can see there, but that's the best I can get it, I'm afraid. So this is before and after shots. Quite a difference, isn't there? I finally got there in the end, so just pop that back in there. I'm now going to clean the filter pump, which is located at the bottom of your front load washing machine. So taking a screwdriver, I'm going to pry this open and turn this anti-clockwise to open the filter. Do, however, remember to put down a towel or a plastic container to catch any water. Also check for objects inside that may have got stuck in there. Remove the filter and clean using a toothbrush. And just in clockwise. I'm now going to go over the washing machine with the white vinegar spray. Finally, I forgot to mention, I also like to use Calgon, which also helps to protect your wash machine from lime scale and dirt. It says you should use Calgon in every wash and at all temperatures to get the best lime scale prevention. Just put the recommended dose of Calgon in the main wash compartment of the dispensing drawer. Calgon goes to work immediately as soon as the water starts to flow. But do washing machines really live longer with Calgon? Find out in my next washing machine video to find out. Okay, that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please leave it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Washing machines live longer with Calgon.